One of the most common drywall defects most of us homeowners will come across are these little bumps or blemishes that form on your wall. Now these are called nail pops or screw pops because there actually is a fastener, a nail or screw underneath each one of those bumps. The cause of this is because this drywall is pretty loose compared to the stud. So it will pop out and cause this damage to your wall. What you want to do is remove any of the loose material, including any mud or the drywall paper itself that's already damaged. Now once we have a solid foundation, you can see that the nail actually does have a gap here, and that is what is allowing that drywall to flex and move. To remove those nails, I'm just going to use a little shim here and a cat's paw to make sure I don't further damage the drywall while I remove these old loose fasteners. Then once those are out, I'm going to sink new drywall screws, and you see that actually pulls the drywall in even on the first one. But 2 screws here, and make sure you don't sink them too far. And the product I'm going to use is located on my Amazon store, and it's a great DIY product under the general supply section. It's a 3M all-in-one hole repair kit. It's going to have everything you need to get your wall back in good shape. So we'll apply the spackle first, and this will be my first of 2 coats. And then with the putty knife end of the applicator, you can strike that off, and between each stroke I clean it off on a paper towel, making sure I'm not just reapplying the spackle I just removed. Then we'll do a light sanding on the first coat after about 45 minutes of drying time, even though 3M calls out about 30 minutes dry time. And then for that second coat, I'm going to want to build everything up and make it as flat as possible, referencing the smooth drywall surface with my putty knife, making sure I strike it off flush with the surrounding surface. So I'll keep working extra material at the edge and then pull that across the hole, making sure it's as flat as possible. Overall, I'm really happy with the end product, and really for an all-in-one product, I don't think you can beat the results. Now, if you're doing this project but you need a little bit more guidance, you want a lot more information on how to do this right, check out this video right here. This is the same project that you see here. It will just go much more in depth to ensure you get every step-by-step process to get your wall looking like this. So thanks for joining me on this video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.